Friends, in this session, let us understand the break-even in a graphical format. For that, let us draw a line, a vertical line, and in that we'll plot the sale values. Probably say 100, 200, 300, 400. It can be in crores or it can be in lakhs. And this basically represents the sale value. And we'll also plot or draw a horizontal line. In that we'll give the units, so 200 units, 400 units, 600 units, fine. So we'll give the units. Now what we'll do, we'll establish a link between this units and value here. Say when 200 units are sold, the company gets 100, 400 is sold, the company gets sales as 200, 600 units sold, the company gets 300. So in that way we'll draw a graph or a line from here which will tell us the sales. So we'll do that now. So this line basically tells about the cost, sales. Now we can also plot the graph, right? So when 200 units are sold, what is the cost? Because initially the company will not recover all its cost, because there will be a presence of fixed cost which will be far high than the sales level. So in the initial period the cost will be much high than the sales. So if your sales is starting from this point, the cost will not start from this point because of presence of the fixed cost. So let's say the cost starts from here. So let's say the cost starts from here. So here the cost goes, it increases, then it comes down. It means the cost keeps on going up, but a point wherein the sales will go or cross or it will exceed the cost. So the sales will reach a point at which it covers the cost and it will go beyond the cost. Okay, so the point at which the sales crosses the cost is called as break-even point. The point at which the sales crosses the cost, or the sales and cost meets together, is called break-even point. So till the break-even point, the business will not be able to make profits. So this is the loss zone. But beyond break-even point, whatever the sales they make, the contribution will go towards making profits. So this region is called profit region. So this is a simple diagram to understand the break-even concept. I mean, here you have a line where the sales goes and here you have a line where the cost goes. So in the initial period the cost is higher than the sales. Sales is below, cost is in the upper angle, whereas after break-even point sales is on the higher side and cost will come down, or it will stabilize at a point. Thank you.